In the previous video, I have demonstrated how to connect your UiRobot to the server and run jobs from the server. Following up from that video, I shall now demonstrate how to schedule your jobs using the orchestrator. First, let us input the non-working days so that your jobs will not be scheduled on these days. To do this, click on the icon with your initials here. Select Settings, then select Non-Working Days tab. Click on the days you want Orchestrator to identify as non-working days. Then click Save. To schedule jobs, go to the Schedules tab on the left panel of Orchestrator. To add a new schedule, click on the plus icon. For name field, use a meaningful new schedule name. For process field, use the drop-down menu to select the process you wish to schedule. In the Triggers tab, you can first turn on the non-working days restriction before you select the time zone. In the time zone, use the drop-down menu to select the correct time zone. You can now set the schedule by minutes, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, or by using a VB.NET expression. Let us experiment by setting the schedule every 1 minute. Before we create the schedule, let's go to Execution Target tab. In this tab, we have 3 options. All robots option would run the scheduled jobs on all robots in your orchestrator simultaneously. Specific robots option allows you to select which robots to run the jobs. In Allocate Dynamically option, you specify the number of times to run the process on each trigger of the schedule, and the orchestrator will allocate any available robots to run this schedule for you. In our case, we only have 1 robot, so let's select all robots. Click Create, and now you have a schedule which runs jobs every minute. Go to Jobs tab now. As you can see, you have a few completed scheduled jobs. You have a new one coming in now too. Just click OK. Let's go back to Schedules to edit the schedule we created. In Actions tab, we can actually stop a job after some time. We can choose to stop or kill the process. Kill will exit the job instantaneously, while stop work with the should stop sequence in UI Studio. We can also disable the schedule at a specific time and date. We have now come to the end of this demonstration.